Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we are playing this. So you are guys just going to comment a random number there, and I'm going to pick what number. Like if you pick 3, this is the 3, so I'll pick that. But it's my turn. I like this one there. Oh, no. I mean this one. I'm just a picky, and I'm going to use. Oh, no, not that. The evil one. There. Gonna use this one. Sorry guys for using like so there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There on 4. There, and you're just going to comment a place. You are going to comment a place, a shirt, a face, and a skin, and a hair. That's all for today's guys. I hope you like the video, and I myself also. So bye bye.